In this video, I'll detail how to enable or allow camera access on TikTok. So if you open your TikTok application and you try to post anything, and you see allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone, this video is going to walk you through. So without allowing your TikTok to access your camera, you'll not be able to publish videos on the TikTok application. So except you upload directly from your files. But here, if you want to publish video directly from TikTok using the camera button or video, this video is going to walk you through. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to allow camera access on TikTok on iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and then click on TikTok on the apps page if you're using iOS 17.5. But if you're using iOS 18, then click on apps and scroll down until you get to TikTok, then click on it. Once you can find TikTok, locate the camera icon and make sure this is enabled. Turn this on to allow camera access on TikTok. Once that is enabled, go back to the TikTok page, then open it. Then you should see the camera access enabled on your TikTok. Then you can go ahead, record your video or publish your TikTok story. So that is how you can easily allow camera access on TikTok on iPhone. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.